A very warm welcome on the behalf of Multisoft Virtual Academy. This session is useful for individuals who aim to become Java application developers, Java programmers, mobile application developers, and business component developers. So, let's begin with the agenda. I will begin with the history of Java along with the introduction and then give an understanding on the various certifications provided by Oracle. Further, we'll move on to the exam details and then later discuss the course details. The course details will include the target audience, professional scope, and course outline for the Java training program. Once you're aware of the contents of the training, I will pick up one of the course topics and cover its related concepts in the sneak preview section. At last, I will explain how Multisoft will conduct online training for core Java. At the end, I will summarize the session. Let us have a brief look at Java's history first. Java was conceived by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems Inc. in 1991. It took 18 months to develop the first working version. This language was initially called Oak but was renamed Java in 1995. The original impetus for Java was not the internet. Instead, the primary motivation was the need for a platform-independent language that could be used to create software to be embedded in various consumer electronic devices such as microwave ovens and remote controls. The acquisition of Sun Microsystems by Oracle Corporation was completed on January 2010. Significantly, Oracle, that was previously only a software vendor, now owns both hardware and software product lines from Sun. The images on the right side of the slide depict James Gosling and his team who worked to develop Java. Further, moving on to the versions of Java, which include the version's name, code name, and release date. You can see in the slide that Java has substantially progressed since 1996. It is expected that the Java Standard Edition 9 version will be released in 2016. Java is a programming language and computing platform. It is a general-purpose, object-oriented language that supports the write once, run everywhere feature. It is designed for easy web internet applications and has widespread acceptance. Portability and security were the primary reasons for the invention of Java. The Java platform solves several purposes and is hence offered in 3 separate editions. Java Platform Standard Edition or Java SE is a widely used platform for development and deployment of portable applications for desktop and server environments. Java SE uses the object-oriented Java programming language. It is part of the Java software platform family. Java SE defines a wide range of general-purpose APIs, that is, application protocol interfaces, such as Java APIs for the Java class library, and also includes the Java language specification and the Java virtual machine specification. One of the most well-known implementations of Java SE is Oracle Corporation's Java Development Kit. Java Platform Enterprise Edition or Java EE is Oracle's enterprise Java computing platform. The platform provides an API and runtime environment for developing and running enterprise software, including network and web services and other large-scale, multi-tiered, scalable, reliable, and secure network applications. Java Platform Micro Edition or Java ME is a Java platform designed for embedded systems. Target devices range from industrial controls to mobile phones and set-top boxes. Java ME was formerly known as Java 2 Platform Micro Edition, that is J2ME. There are lots of applications and websites that will not work unless you have Java installed, and more are created every day. Java is fast, secure, and reliable. From laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific supercomputers, and from cell phones to the internet, Java is everywhere. Therefore, let me share some of the devices where Java is used. These include desktop applications such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, antivirus software, etc. Web applications such as irctc.co.in. Enterprise applications such as banking applications. Mobile phones, embedded systems, smart cards, robotics devices, and gaming devices. Java was designed to be easy for the professional programmer to learn and use effectively. It inherits the C++ syntax and many of the object-oriented features of C++. Most programmers have very little trouble learning Java. Java is object-oriented as it follows the OOPS concepts, which include abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Thirdly, Java is platform independent. Java programs can be executed on any platform once it has been written and compiled to by code. The fourth feature is its security. Prior to Java, most users did not download executable programs frequently, and those who did scanned them for viruses prior to execution. Java provides a sandbox technology for not allowing internet applications to access the system resources without having permissions. Additionally, Java is robust as it supports memory management and exception handling. The other characteristic of Java is that it is architecture neutral. A central issue for the Java designers was that of code longevity and portability. Java's goal is write once, run everywhere, anytime, forever. Talking about portability, Java is a platform-independent language. Java code once written can be used anywhere on any platform. Bytecode executed on JVM makes it platform independent. Moving on to the next feature, Java is dynamic. Java programs carry with them substantial amounts of runtime type information that is used to verify and resolve accesses to objects at runtime. This makes it possible to dynamically link code in a safe and quick manner. Java is interpreted. It enables the creation of cross-platform programs by compiling into an intermediate representation called bytecode. This code can be interpreted on any system that provides a Java virtual machine. High performance is Java's another strength. While it is true that Java was engineered for interpretation, the Java bytecode was carefully designed so that it would be easy to translate directly into native machine code for very high performance by using a just-in-time compiler. Java is multi-threaded. It supports multi-threaded programming, which allows you to write programs that do many things simultaneously. Last but not the least, it is distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the internet because it handles TCP/IP protocols. In fact, accessing a resource using a URL is not much different from accessing a file. Let's now see the path of certifications and the benefits of achieving these certifications. Oracle offers an IT professional certification program via the Oracle University for products and services offered by Oracle and those acquired from Sun Microsystems, including Java, MySQL, and Solaris. Typically, a multiple choice exam taken at a testing center accredited by Pearson VUE must be passed in order to obtain a certification. Certifications issued by Oracle never expire. These certifications are particularly designed for administrators, programmers, and developers. There are 5 categories for the program. These are Associate, Professional, Master, Expert, and Specialist. An associate certification is required for obtaining a professional credential, and a professional certification is required for achieving the master certification. The expert and specialist certifications do not have any prerequisite certification. Moving on to the certifications, Oracle Certified Associate Java SE Programmer, that is OCA-JP, is the fundamental exam required to demonstrate solid understanding of the basics of Java and OOPS concepts. The Oracle Certified Professional Java SE Programmer, that is OCP-JP, exam is required to demonstrate solid understanding of Java and is a prerequisite to a number of other Java certificates. It is designed as a fairly detailed test of knowledge of the core features and constructs of the Java programming language. It tests a wide range of Java's APIs and core features, starting from basics such as looping constructs and variables to more complex topics such as threads, collections, and generics. The Sun Certified Java Developer, that is SCJD, is the Advanced Java Programmer certification level. Unlike the easier SCJP, this level is intended to verify that the participant is able to write a real-world commercial application, solving all typical problems. It is the highest qualification that Sun confirms for the standard edition Java programmer. Prior to attempting this certification, candidates must be certified as a Sun certified programmer, that is SCJP, any edition. It is not necessary to be a Sun certified Java associate prior to taking this exam. To become an Oracle certified professional Java SE programmer, that is OCP-JP, you need to first become an OCA-JP, that is Oracle Certified Associate Java SE programmer. Let me now share the exam details with you. There are two certification exams for which the candidate is eligible after the completion of this training. The first one is exam 1Z0803. This exam has a total of 70 multiple choice questions that need to be attempted within a stipulated time of 2 hours. In order to clear the exam, you need to secure at least 63% marks. The second exam is 1Z0804. This one has 90 multiple choice questions that need to be attempted within 2.5 hours. In order to clear the exam, you need to secure at least 65% marks. Both the exams are conducted online through Pearson VUE. It is time that I share the course specific details with you. In terms of target audience, it is helpful for candidates to be proficient in the use of C language and have basic knowledge of C++. Participants of this training should have an understanding about object-oriented principles, database concepts, and structured query language syntax. After you complete the training, you can work as Java programmer, standalone application developer, mobile application developer, and business component developer. The modules shared on the screen will form part of the actual course. Let me assure you that the actual training will be very interesting, as Java technology is very much in demand in today's market. This slide shows the complete course outline for the Core Java online training. When you register with us for the training, we will cover all these modules in detail. I know that you've been waiting for this. Sneak preview is by far the most interesting section. So let's get ready to be loaded with core subject concepts. Let me discuss the software for developing projects and programs in Java. The first requirement is Java Development Kit version 1.7. For this, you can freely download it from the Oracle website according to the need of your operating system. It contains JDK 7 and JRE 7. After installing the Java software, you need to set the path variable in environment variable to set the path of C, program files, Java, JDK 1.7 bin folder. To reach environment variable, you need to follow the path that I will now describe. Right-click on My Computer icon, go to Properties, Advanced System and Settings, Environment Variable, User Variable, New, and then a box as shown in the figure will appear. Name path in variable name and C, program files, Java, JDK 1.7 bin in variable value. Now setting path is done and you're ready to write the Java program. Open a notepad and write the above code. Save it with the name of the class as demo.java. Here we are writing a very simple Java program to print Hello World. The elements used in this program are the main method. The declaration of main method is public static void main string args. Then you can write the Hello World program in the body of the main method. Now what is the relevance of the declaration? Public is as the interpreter can call it. Static is the method that belongs to the class. Void is that does not return a value. String, it always has an array of string objects as its formal parameter. The array contains any arguments passed to the program on the command line. The source file's name must match the class name which the main method is in. Open the CMD and go to the directory where you have saved your program. Write jvag demo.java and press enter key. If no errors occur and Java file is compiled, then a demo.class file will be generated on the same directory. Now write Java demo and press enter key. Your program will run and generate the output Hello World. I hope that you found the sneak preview section informational. With that, let's move on to understand how online training will happen at Multisoft. When you register with us for the training, we will connect with you as per the pre-decided time and impart training for 30 hours in all. For the exact schedule and each session's duration, you can refer to the training calendar on our website. The training happens through a secure web conferencing tool that allows a real-time learning experience. Once you register with us, we send out event links to you wherein you log into a collaborative platform that allows two-way interaction between the student and the trainer through webcam and voice chat. It is as good as a classroom since the whiteboard allows the trainer to transfer knowledge as done in a classroom. The share option lets the experts share files, videos, applications and even desktops. Once you register with us, we provide you 24/7 access to an online resource center, wherein apart from accessing other training material, you can also attempt 10 lab assignments and 2 mock tests. Apart from these 2 valuable exam-oriented resources, you also get access to all related presentations and training videos. This is a sample of the online assessment that will test your knowledge on the various course concepts. All the questions will have 4 options, out of which you need to select the correct one. At the end of the assessment, you will get the information on the correct answers and reasoning behind the same. Now to summarize the session, this will be a 30 hours instructor-led online training that will be conducted by an experienced instructor. In addition, you will get 24/7 access to the learning management system where you can attempt 10 lab assignments and 2 mock tests. After the training, you'll also receive a certificate from Multisoft. This session was an attempt to provide you detailed information about Core Java online training and certification program. In order to register for the course or to ask any question, please write to us at info@multisoftvirtualacademy.com.